Number 5.
We are going to create the first consumer FPV racing UAV. You don't need the traditional and tedious DIY anymore. Even the normal UAV fans will be able to experience violent air races by taking this ready-to-fly FPV 300, like driving F1 racing in the air. There's no longer the DIY amusement for geeks, but the new flight experience for everyone.
Checks, fuck a white girl, drug bill, neck, karate chop, a grill, bitch I kill. Born from the center of a boys slapping gums about how they're hard, bitch I'm harder. Martyr to the swag on the corner, beat your girl.
I'm a huge fan of drones. At my childhood, I wanted to fly in the sky like the birds. That's why I created the first-person view drones for everyone and just like the sky version of F1 racing.
Number 4. Number 3. Number 2.
In an effort to create various flight experiences for pilots of all skill levels, the engineers at Emax have taken the Tinyhawk II platform and reshaped it for maximum outdoor performance. The result is the Tinyhawk II Race, a micro outdoor racing drone with incredible speed and power for a quadcopter in its class. Featuring a power system focused on speed and performance, the Tinyhawk II Race utilizes 1103 7500 kV motors in order to achieve the higher RPM necessary to achieve its power-to-weight ratio. Paired together with the Arvon Blur, the 2-inch propeller helps combat the increase in power with increased flight time, ensuring the pilot has a long, fast, sustainable flight. One of the key elements in restructuring the Tinyhawk II Race for a high-speed environment was the design of the frame. By incorporating 3K woven aerospace-grade carbon fiber into the frame of the aircraft, maximum durability is attained, making the aircraft capable of withstanding high degrees of abuse. With the inclusion of an aerodynamic but strengthened outer shell, the interior of the craft remains protected while improving the performance of the drone. The Tinyhawk II Race maximizes the effectiveness of the improved video transmission system with increased strength, giving pilots more freedom and range than ever before. The engineers leverage the experience by pairing the video transmission with the proven RunCam Nano 2 for its increased dynamic range, exposure control, and image quality. Designed as the ultimate outdoor micro racer, the Tinyhawk II Race leverages performance, power, and the FPV experience for maximum control in any situation.